Yeah, welcome again. So on this tutorial, I want to teach us how to design a simple new wig design. So this is my Coreldraw interface. So the size for this design is 12 by 12 or 10 by 10 inches. You understand? That is the standard size for social media. So the first thing I have to do is to import our background. Control I to import. So this is the image that we are using. This is the image that we are using. So come to rectangle to double click, then enlarge this image, then part click inside this, shape created. Okay, good. So the next thing now is to import the logo here. Are we following? Alright, so that's logo. So the next thing now is to add the social media and the contact details. Social media, then we can pick this color here, come down here, pick the color here, then change this one to this color, remove the border line here. Alright, so we are going to type the number. Import the icon. Control I to import. We are going to want to break this into two. We want to break the icon into two. Control K. Yes. So the next thing now is to come to our, we are looking for call icon. Call icon to use. You can use this one. Then we are going to trace call icon, delete this, pick this orange background here, change this call icon to this background. So we can use this size for this too. Okay. Group the two together. Alright, so the next thing now is to type it is Monday. Change this one to taken by virtue. We are using this font, taken by virtue. Then Monday. Change this font to Trojan. Alright, so we're going to. So the next thing now is to import our good background. Search for good background online. We are going to see good background online. Good in background online. So we are using this good in background. We are using this one in particular. We are going to package inside this. Before that, let us break this Monday. Control K to break. Then backclick this go to background. Then backclick also inside this Monday. Now we are going to create a rectangle shape here so that our text will be visible. Remove the borderline, come to transparent tool, okay. Now we're going to move this here, change the color to white. It's Monday. Alright, so the next thing now is to type a short prayer. May this week be filled with limitless possibilities. Change the font to Montserrat. We are using Montserrat. Using Montserrat. Change the color to white. So that's it. Our this thing is ready. Our new week is ready. New week design is ready. So if you are new to my channel, please kindly subscribe and click on the notification bell so that you will be notified once I drop a new video. Thank you for following. God bless you. See you next time.